Today we design and build a box that has two openings so that things put in first are the first ones taken out. Years ago I've created this simple cardboard box by putting new dishwasher taps in the opening at the top and taking them out from the bottom. We avoid taps sitting in the box for decades and becoming unusable. As we no longer store the taps in a shelf, but in a drawer, we need a different design. The design starts with the inevitable fact that we need four sides that form a box. A hardwood box would have been great as it is less prone to dents and scratches. However, as no one will look inside the drawers, cost and speed are more important for this design. The pine panels were super cheap on sale, and I will choose the dimensions of the box so that I can get all the wood from a single 40 by 60 centimeter panel. To connect the sides, a dovetail or box joint or mitered corners would have been nice. However, given that the panel is made from individual strips of wood, one glue line more or less won't matter. So, using biscuits for alignment, we glue the box together with simple butt joints. This Japanese toolbox inspired the design of the lids. To create this kind of lid, the opening of the box is sanded flush. From the leftover wood, we cut a few strips and glue them with biscuits to the top and bottom of the box. After the glue is dried, we measure the opening from the inside corner to the edge of the strip and cut some plywood scraps to size. On the plywood, we glue two additional strips of wood. One of the strips is positioned at a distance equal to the overhang of the strips at the side, the other at half of that distance. The box is now sanded to 180 grit. In our case, one of the two lids will be open most of the time. To avoid that the lid clutters the drawer, we cut two strips to the thickness of the plywood and glue them to a horizontal piece. By repeating this procedure, we have a place to store the lid when it's not in use. Finally, the box is coated with 2 coats of hard wax. It provides exactly the functionality we were looking for. You can fill an entire package of dishwasher taps in the box, close the lid, turn it around, and next use one of the taps from the bottom. The project is very utilitarian but functional. What are the design priorities in your projects? Do you always go for the best look possible? Let me know in the comments. If you want to keep up with new projects, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for a look at future projects.